Welcome back. We are live here at Empire Crypto TV. We are live today on a Thursday evening. Welcome back. As usual, please do indicate where you're watching this live broadcast from. Say something on the comment section. Tell us your province, your state, your country. Let us know where you're watching this live broadcast from. And of course, we are family here. Do send us some shout outs on the comment section. Tell us how's been your week so far in the trading space. We are not strangers. We are family here. Yes, come through, guys. Share this live broadcast to your friends, to everyone, to your teams, to your groups. We are live here at Empire Crypto TV. We've got good news for you today, especially those who are actually getting introduced to the cryptocurrency market. And of course, those who are advanced in the cryptocurrency market. There is so much to learn. There's so much information to be shared with you. So yes, we are live here. We are live. Share this live broadcast to everyone. There we go. We've got Tsepiso, South Africa, Klerksdorp in Northwest. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Without you, we cannot really go live. But because we've got family, we are family here. We want to share this good news. We teach you about blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading, investing. Everyone needs to be well informed on this market so that we all become financial free. All right. Without wasting much of your time, I'll bring to you our guest for tonight. She's one of the experienced person in the crypto space. She's been there for some time and she's got so much knowledge, so much experience. She's going to teach us a hell a lot of stuff today. Cryptocurrency market is here to stay, and with leaders like her, she makes things easier for everyone. All right, help me welcome our leader, Tembi. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV.
Thank you so much, leadership. I'd like also to welcome everyone who's online, who's watching, either through Facebook or YouTube. Thank you so much for welcoming me as well.
Wonderful. At Empire Crypto TV here, we are family. We are building one of the biggest community in the crypto space. We can't wait to hear what you have got for us today. We can't wait to learn the strategies from you.
Yes, I don't know what's going on. The sound is bad. Yeah, I can't hear properly, but yes, I'm willing to share and ready to share the information about cryptocurrency, my journey since I started until now. I'm very excited because this is a very exciting topic for me, the cryptocurrency space. So I'm really happy to be here to share my knowledge, to share my information with everybody on this call.
Great stuff. Yes, Empire Crypto TV family. We are here. We are live today, right here, right now. Please indicate on the comment section where you're watching this live broadcast from. Say something. Let's greet each other. Let's shout out to each other. Do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe. We are live every day, 7 p.m. We bring you all this information to you. All right, Tembi, give us your background. When did you start in the crypto space, and how's been the journey so far? What's the future of the cryptocurrency market as per your projections, in this space?
The sound. Okay, I started my crypto journey in 2015. The reason for that was I'm an entrepreneur, right? And I love money. So I wanted an opportunity to make money. So while I was searching on the internet, I came across some of the platforms that were talking about this Bitcoin. That was in 2015. So what I did was to research and find information for myself, because sometimes you will hear stories about this cryptocurrency, this, and at the time, remember, it
Oh, okay. All right. We are live via Temper Crypto TV. We've got one of our most experienced guests here. She's having a bit of an issue with her system, but she will be back now. We're talking cryptocurrency market. We're talking trading and investing. The best way to do it without hurting yourself or without hurting your lifetime investment. All right, it seems like your systems are, they keep kicking you out.
yeah, I think we must use the phone, because we're using the laptop and I don't know what's wrong. It keeps on kicking me out.
All right, it's fine. You can connect your phone. You can connect through the
Yeah, I
phone
think let's use the
if
phone.
it's
The
going
phone
to
would be
give us.
better.
All right, let's use the
Pardon?
phone. Yeah, you can connect through the phone as long as it's going to give us some quality. We've got
Yeah,
our
let's use it
members
through
here.
the phone. I think it will be better, because the laptop keeps on kicking me out. So I don't know what is the problem.
All right, now click on that link on your phone, and then let's get moving. All right. All right. Are you set to
Yeah,
go
I think
now?
it's gonna be better. Sorry about the laptop. Yes.
No,
Yeah,
that's
now
not a
I'm set.
problem.
Yes.
Christoph was just giving us your background, how you started in the crypto space, and your journey so far.
Yeah, so we can
Um,
continue here.
yes, you were giving us your background, your journey in the cryptocurrency market, your projections of this market.
Okay, so I said I started my crypto space, my crypto journey. Yes.
Okay, all right. The
Yes.
sound
So
seems like
I started in 2015. Like I said, the reason why I came across crypto was like, hello.
yeah, we're getting lost. We're losing you. At some point, we're losing you. But yes, we can hear you now. Can go through.
Yeah, but I can hear you properly.
Oh yes, we can hear you now. Yeah, proceed, please.
Okay, I didn't even introduce myself because of the cutting in and cutting out. Okay, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Tembi
Absolutely.
Viola Sitole. Yeah, I'm a crypto enthusiast. I'm a mother, a wife, a businesswoman. I love money very much. That's why I'm involved in crypto. I'm residing in Durban right now. I've been living in Joburg, and then I relocated to KZN. So my journey with cryptocurrency started in 2015. In 2015, so when I was employed, I resigned in 2014 to pursue business interest. So I said I love money, right? And I'm an entrepreneur. So I wasn't happy with being an employee, whereby at the second day after month end you're broke and you don't have money. So I wanted to pursue a business, and started my own thing. So in 2015, unfortunately, things didn't go well as planned. As you know, business is not for the faint-hearted. So that's when I lost everything, right? And then I started something else, like to look for other opportunities out there. So I started going on the internet to search for opportunities. That's when I came across the cryptocurrency in 2015. So the way I was introduced to crypto, it wasn't by choice. It was one of those platforms where they were telling you to pay something in Bitcoin, and not knowing what Bitcoin is and not knowing what is this Bitcoin can do. I started doing my own research and found out like, yeah, this is gold. We struck something here. So from 2015, that's when I started buying and selling Bitcoins at that time while I was researching and finding out what is this Bitcoin all about.
Mm. Okay, sounds like a colorful background. I mean, you spoke about loving money. Money is the pushing factor. I mean, you wake up in the morning, you think
Yes,
about money. I mean, obviously, look, everything is costly these days, and of course, without money, you can't really have the best
you can
lifestyle you
smile without
deserve.
money. You can be happy.
All right. Tell me, as per your experience, I mean, 2015 is long time ago. You have seen a lot in the crypto space. You have seen the ins and outs, the highs and lows of the cryptocurrency market. To your experience, is it now easier for everyone to buy Bitcoin? Is it now very much easier for the newbies to really get on board in this cryptocurrency market?
Yes, it's easy to buy Bitcoin these days because one, the information is out there. Unlike when it started, it was like it's for the chosen few, right? The information, the education, it's there. And also most of the platforms we are using now are South Africans because when Bitcoin started, we used to use international or foreign exchanges, right? Now in South Africa, we have our own where people can say or feel comfortable that we are not sending money overseas or we are not using overseas exchanges. But what is the problem? To access Bitcoin is very easy. But the problem is with the people, right? Because even now, the majority of people are still saying Bitcoin is a scam. But it's very easy to buy it because one, we have now South African exchanges, like I'm saying. Secondly, we have lots of information about Bitcoin. You can see it on TV or you can hear people talking about it, even if you decide to ignore. So what is the problem? It's not really to access because buying Bitcoin is very easy. The problem is the attitude and of people not accepting or not acknowledging that this is the money for now and the future. So we as a crypto enthusiast, we educate a lot of people, and you'll be so shocked to know that some people don't even know what Bitcoin is, but others know. They ignore. Others are educated. They can search for themselves, but they decide not to. So the problem is just the attitude of the people, and for them to acknowledge that, like everything else, money also is changing. If everything can change, if we can all do lots of things online, obviously with money we can get it online. People can accept that today we are not using cassettes and whatever. We know you see this as well. We are now accessing music online. They accept that, but they cannot accept the fact that the money is going in the same direction because it's changing. We are in the fourth industrial revolution now. So it's all about, that's why we have in our organization that we have committed to educate 600,000 people in Africa every day. That is our mission, based on the fact that they still have millions of people out there who are still out in the dark. Others, they know it, but they don't want to get involved. So education is very key, and that to access is very easy. So our challenge is not how we access Bitcoin. Our challenge is educating people and showing them what Bitcoin can do for themselves and their families.
Wow, you just mentioned 600,000, if I'm correct. And these are the
Yes.
people that you actually bring into the space. My next question to you is that since that time of 2015 that you came into this space, do you see some increment of people coming into the cryptocurrency market? Do you see a lot of people getting to understand or, taking note of this market? Is it, at the right rate, or is it slowly going somewhere? Well, what's your take on the numbers of
Okay.
people coming
I
into the
think
space?
I think a lot of yeah, 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 I think a lot of people are coming to the space, and a lot of people's lives are changing because of their involvement in Bitcoin. But like I said, there's still a lot of people out there that still have to be educated. But truly, from 2015 to now, there is a lot and lot of people that are coming through. I see in my organization where each and every day people are coming on board. We can count so many thousands and thousands of people, even across the globe, because the company I'm in right now, they have so many people who are involved in the company across 50 countries. So even here in South Africa, the numbers are increasing. That is very exciting for us, because that means that if the numbers of people who are involved in crypto are increasing, their lives are changing, and also eventually they will gonna change and affect the economy of this country. Because with crypto, you know that there is money to be made out of crypto. But what we need, the push is to for people to understand why it was made in the first place, where is it going. When we say it's changing the world, what does that mean? In terms of financial literacy, people must know that when you are involved in crypto, obviously you are going to make money, because there are millionaires that were made out of crypto.
Yes, Empire Fam, we are live here in Empire Crypto TV. We've got one of our experienced guests here. She's actually educating us about the cryptocurrency market. There are so many strategies she's actually bringing to the platform and to you, of course, as a family. Do not forget to go on our YouTube channel, subscribe, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe. We are always live at 7 p.m. We bring all the blockchain solutions, cryptocurrency news, hot news, breaking news. Everything that's happening in the crypto space is found right now, right here at Empire Crypto TV. So, yes, be with us every day to share this news with you. Um, all right, let's bring our guest. Looks like the machines keeps kicking her out. Let me see if she's back again. Yes, Tembi, are you there? Can you hear me? Yes, Tembi. Can you hear me, please? Say something.
Yes, I'm back.
All right, can
Yes.
you hear me?
Yeah,
All
I can
right.
hear you
No, Krista.
clearly.
All
Yes,
right.
I
No,
can hear
super. Look.
you.
All right. No, Krista.
Yes, I can hear
Look.
you.
All right. Okay. Um. All right. Look, since I've been also in the space since 24. What's happening? Just be patient with us, guys. We have a bit of a glitch, but we are attending to it. Do not go away. Be with us here. Just be patient, guys. All right. I Yes, Tembi, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
All right. We're worried.
I don't know
This
if it's
mach-
from your side, but from my side, I can hear you.
No, I can hear you now. It's only the machines keeps kicking you out. But welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, hey, this machine is kicking me out. I don't know why.
It's jealous of your experience.
Yeah, it's very, very jealous. It
All
doesn't
right.
want me to encourage people to be millionaires by getting involved in crypto.
By force, by fire, by Satoshi, by Nakamoto. It's not going to win. We are going to
Yeah,
win.
we will soldier on.
All right, Tembi. Look, if you've been in this space for that long, you'll agree with me that back in the days, we used to buy Bitcoin for the sake of transactions. We never really had that idea or that projection that this asset is going to grow in value. We used to, I mean, there are so many Bitcoins that passed through your hands, but
Yes.
when you look at those times, you like I should have kept those bitcoins if I had this mentality
Mhm.
now. If I had this interest now that I have, I should have actually kept those bitcoins. What would you say to people now who are selling their cryptos but not really buying anything back? You know, someone, especially with this bull run that we are in, we see cryptos going 10x, 15x, 5x, and there are people who are actually cashing out, selling their cryptos, selling their portfolios. But the mistake that they are doing, they're not really buying back anything. They're just moving, going out of the market. What's your take on that?
Okay, that's why I spoke about education, right? Because even us, when we started, the things that we do, what we did. So every time we spoke, we say, "I blew it," because we chart our bitcoins like you won't believe. Because of lack of knowledge, we didn't know that we are holding an asset, that this is a store of value. It's something that you cannot use. Like, so in 2017, 16, 17, we had the Zappo cards. Anyone who knows a Zappo card will tell you how we chowed our bitcoins. We were swiping just to prove a point that this is money. I'll go and put petrol, I'll go and buy airtime and prove a point. So because of what? Because we were not educated, we didn't know what is this Bitcoin. We know that it's money, but what does it do? What you should do with it. So that's why I spoke about education.
All right, we are live via Temper Crypto TV. Please, guys, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Empire Crypto TV. We always live here at 7 p.m. every day, and we bring you the hottest news in the market, the updates, the breaking news, what's
So
happening around the clock.
what hello? Okay,
Yeah,
what is happening now? To answer your question, it's people who are coming into the space now should understand that Bitcoin is a store of value. Number one, it's a commodity, and then it's an asset. So it's not something that you will chow it and buy coffee with it and whatever. So people who are buying now and then selling everything and not buying again, those are the people who needs education to understand that you are dealing with an asset, right? I mean, imagine in when Bitcoin started in South Africa in 2010. An example that I always do to show people that when you are holding Bitcoin, you are holding an asset. Ne? So because in 2010, one Bitcoin was 1 Rand 40. And then in 2010, what were we doing? In 2010, we were busy with the World Cup, right? And there were those people who were fortunate enough to have overseas visitors staying at their places or meeting them at the bars and whatever. And they happened to tell them about Bitcoin. So if someone bought in 2010 bitcoins, let's say we were buying vuvuzelas for 50 rands, right? And bitcoin was 1 rand 40. So that person bought how many bitcoins? 35 at the time. In what? In 2010. So if we can take a calculator and check, few years later, the price of Bitcoin in 2017 went up to 350,000. So it means in the 7 years that person was now how much wealthier? It's like 35 million rands wealthier, you know. So that is the value of Bitcoin. So people should understand that even if you can sell it a little bit when it's high, but don't sell everything, because now if you sell everything, it means you have to buy it expensive again, you know. Because if people, when they sell it when they see the value is high, and others they sell everything, they don't leave some few coins for themselves. But also that's why mining is very important. When you're mining bitcoins, it means that every day you're accumulating coins. So even if the price can go high and you can sell, it means the following day again your coins are accumulating. So to those people that are selling everything, I will just to advise them that you are selling an asset, you are selling something of value that is gonna multiply thousands and thousands more over the years. So that's why you will encourage people to hodl. Hodling meaning that they have to keep holding on to their coins. Maybe you can have multiple accounts whereby you know the other one is for you to withdraw to use, and the other one is for you to hold on for dear life, because you don't know what's going to happen in the next coming 5 years, right? Yeah, that is the advice I can give them. Then don't spend everything. Also be aware of the other things that you can do, like mining, where you will accumulate your coins every single day.
All right, no, great stuff. We're actually saying people, it's not really advisable for them to sell all their coins, because future is bright. We're still very much early on this market. The market is still young. So if ever you start selling your bitcoins now, start selling your cryptos now, it's going to be very painful in the future. Like most people are feeling the pain of using or selling their bitcoins way back in 2015, 2016. So don't be caught also in the same scenario whereby you feel that pain, that I shouldn't have sold my coins, I should have kept. Or what you can do, especially when you start gaining that experience in the cryptocurrency market, is about education, knowledge, researching. Why am I saying this? Is that once you understand all this, you can actually trade. I mean, trading is whereby you know when to sell, when to buy, when to sell.
Yo, I'm trying to listen. I can't hear anything.
Isn't is it my
Yeah, the sound is so bad.
all right. Is it still bad on my side? It's just fine. Um Tell me, increase your volume, your audio there or something. Go to your, just increase to maybe to a higher.
Yes, I'm trying to listen, but the sound is very bad. Yo.
Isn't is that bad? Okay, let me hear from other guys. Guys, is my sound bad, or it's not on my side? Can you guys say something on the comment section if you can hear me, if my sound is properly? It might be not on my side, it might be on her side, but can you say something on the comment section, guys? All right, Lungelo, can you hear me there?
At least it's coming better.
All right, the same. My sound is okay, 100%. My sound. Yeah, I think it's your side. Um, I think it's your side. But anyway, let's continue. Let's struggle forward. Let's fight forward. Um, where do you see the future of the cryptocurrency market in South African communities? Where do you think in the next 5 to 10 years what's going to happen with the South African community getting on board in the crypto space? Did you hear that?
Yes.
All right, guys. Looks like the machines keeps kicking it out. But let's just be patient. She'll be back few minutes. She's sharing with us some powerful insights here, good information. So let's
Going
hear.
on. Okay. I think the future of crypto in South Africa it's very bright. Many people are coming through. That's why we're saying education is very important. But also with the government, even if they haven't come out clearly about the way forward in terms of regulation, but at least the president has someone in his office who is responsible for the fourth industrial revolution, that including cryptocurrencies. So we are hoping that our government will follow suit, like other governments are now adopting cryptocurrency as their formal currency, right? So we have like about few countries now that has accepted crypto, and we're hoping that our government will follow suit. We have Vietnam, we have Kenya. In Africa, we have Kenya and Nigeria. We have India. We have Ukraine. And recently, we have El Salvador. So, in terms of that, when you see other nations or other countries adopting or acknowledging Bitcoin as their currency, we are thinking, okay, every progressive country will do so or must do so. So we are hoping that even here in South Africa, with the education that we are giving on a daily basis, there are lots of platforms here in South Africa that they are talking about cryptocurrencies, and we're seeing even other celebrities are now involved, where obviously people will listen to them, then they can listen to other people. If you have been following DJ Spoo recently, he's been doing videos on crypto every single day, you know. So that is but one person, but at least he has a lot of following, and you know that other people will listen to him. So we're hoping that with the numbers that are coming through, the future obviously of crypto and Bitcoin is bright. And also with the other altcoins that are coming through as well, people are now learning more. I mean, they are the other people who are entering the market. They are not even buying Bitcoins, but they are buying these other small currencies that are there in the market. So at least now the gap is opening and more people are getting involved. And in terms of the market cap and value, I mean, Bitcoin's market cap keep on growing every day, so as other altcoins. So in that way, the future is very, very, very bright.
All right, allow me to share the screen. Let's talk over this. I see Ukraine yesterday. There was some breaking news that Ukraine is the latest country to legalize Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency. Slowly goes
Oh
global.
yes, even Ukraine. Yes, yes. Which
Um,
is good, you know. So we wish one day we will see a headline like that saying South Africa has now adopted, you know, Bitcoin as their legal currency. But hopefully that something like that will happen. But the more other countries are opening up, the more the world will also open up. But because many people in the world are using cryptocurrencies, it's just that they are not legalized formally in their countries, like our country here in South Africa. I mean, we do have our own exchange companies, so it means that the government is aware that people of this country are trading or are involved in cryptocurrency. So we're hoping that one day we will see a headline like that for our own country.
Look, it started with institutional investors, other companies like PayPal also facilitating the buying of cryptocurrencies. Now it is going to the countries itself. It's going to the countries. So far, especially this week, we have seen two countries coming on board in the crypto space, making some, serious movements, serious entrance into the crypto space. So this is great news, guys. This is wonderful. This is good for the cryptocurrency market because it's getting the recognition it deserves. I mean, it's been 11 years, 12 years now. So yeah, we're going to the mainstream. We're going very far with this market. So yes, if you haven't really understood or gotten involved in this market, make sure that you seek the right information, you look for the right information, you start researching about this cryptocurrency market, which is actually taking over throughout the world. You are not late, but you are late, but you are not late, but you are late. The best time to buy cryptocurrency market, the cryptocurrencies, was in 2008. But the next best time again to get involved in the cryptocurrency market is today. So yes, this is the best time for you if you haven't really gotten involved in this market. Come on board, look for the right information. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, where we stream live every day, 7 p.m. Always be here, learning, growing with us, sharing good information strategies. All right, welcome back. Welcome back. We had to see you going before you share all that knowledge that we have. We want to make sure that when you leave here, we all become profitable. All right, can you hear me, Tembi?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing keeps on kicking me out. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. I
All right,
didn't
now.
hear your last part.
All right. No, we're talking here. I was encouraging people to get involved. Those who haven't really grasped the concept of the cryptocurrency market, to seek the right
Mm.
information, the right knowledge out there, to research, do their own research and more. There's so much information
Yes,
involved, like
yes,
especially with people like you. You mentioned earlier that you've got groups where you actually train people, encourage people, advise people. You spare that information. All right, can you hear me?
no.
All right. In layman's terms, if how would you explain crypto to someone? Because I see we've got new people here on the stream. People haven't really understood the cryptocurrency market. How would you explain cryptocurrency market to someone?
Can you repeat? How did I think what?
How would you explain, or how would you say the cryptocurrency market? Explain cryptocurrency market to someone. Uh, all right. She's really struggling with the machines. It's actually bad because she's giving us insightful information, useful information, powerful insights, good information that she's sharing, but the machines keeps throwing her out. But yes, you are back. Hello, you are back. Hello, can
Hello?
you? Yes, can you hear
Okay,
me
maybe
now?
you can write the question in the chat box because I can't hear anything.
Uh, all right. Can you fix maybe your tools? Your tools. Um, all right. Okay. Can you fix your tools? Um, um, All right. Are you there? All right, guys, we're still live here at Temper Crypto TV. We've got our guests here, but the machines did. There's some technical errors, some technical problems, but we're trying through. We're trying, fighting hard to give you guys what you deserve for the day. But of course, we keep trying. Be patient with us. She's still trying to come on board again. Let me just share this information with you so that we keep moving. All right, guys, we're talking about Ukraine, which is the latest country to legalize Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency slowly goes global. So, yes, guys, you see, when something like this happens, it actually spread to other countries. It spread to other, power holders all over the world, decision makers all over the world, economic decision makers all over the world. They're taking note when something like this happens. It means they'll say, wait a moment, what's this cryptocurrency market? And of course, we at this point in time, we mustn't be talking about um, legalization and stuff. Of course, I'll say Bitcoin was never illegal. If you legalize something, it means it was illegal before. I wouldn't really say it was illegal, but of course, when it comes to laws and regulations, those are the terms that they use, saying Bitcoin is legal. Earlier this week, also, we saw, let me just go down and find that information. El Salvador making Bitcoin a legal currency, and says now it's getting interesting because El Salvador, they encourage apparently everyone in the country to start buying Bitcoin. There was a set amount of saying everyone must buy 30 US dollar worth of Bitcoins. So imagine if the whole country starts buying Bitcoin, come into the cryptocurrency market, getting clued of this market. This market is going to be big, guys. So yes, the topic of the day is about buying cryptocurrencies and holding your cryptocurrencies without selling all of them. If ever you are to sell, maybe the profits or something, but make sure that you leave something. You do not really liquidate everything. You do not really sell everything and go out of the market. You must remain in the market, guys. There's so much that is going to happen in the future. This market is going far. Hold on to your cryptos, hold on to your bitcoins, hold on to your altcoins, never sell. Of course, we've got people like who survive in the cryptocurrency market. They're not doing anything else. Their duties are, pushing the markets, doing different programs. That's what I will advise if ever, you're not really working in other jobs, maybe 9 to 5 or informal employment. Find something to do. Find something to do within the crypto space. There's so many projects, guys, that you can actually undertake in the crypto space that can bring you monthly income, that can give you money, that you can survive with, that can actually see you through week in, week out, month in, month out. So find such information, guys. There's 101,001 opportunities that are found in the crypto space. All right, let me try and see if she's back, and then let's give you a chance to continue teaching us about cryptocurrency market. Are you back, Tembi?
Yes, I'm back. I've been listening to you, and the volume and the voice was so loud and clear. I don't know. Once you connect me, everything goes say why.
Okay, all right. I see, but on my side,
I'm
everything
listening
looks
to you
good.
clearly.
All right, on my side, everything looks good. But okay, let's try and continue with the discussion of the
Okay,
day.
continue.
All right. Say something. Let's progress. Can you hear me? All right, guys. Looks like it's bad to get
Yeah, you
connected
see,
to here.
I said I've been listening to you. Yeah, and then when you connect me, the volume becomes very weird. But I can hear you now.
All right, now let's move forward. Okay. The last one before we get into the next topic is how to encourage someone not to sell their cryptos today. Uh, all right, guys. It looks like it's a struggle. I shall have to I'll remove here and then we continue. All right, let's go to the markets, guys. If you've got some questions, please send your questions on the comment section. If you've got some questions, guys, send your questions on the comment section. All right, let's look into the market. Let's look into the market. All right, let me try you one more time, Tembi, and see if ever we
Yeah, I
can
wish we
actually.
could have used Zoom. Maybe it was gonna be better because this system it keeps on kicking me out.
All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right, yeah, look, let's move on to the markets. We saw
Okay,
Bitcoin.
ask me a question before you connect me, because if you connect, I can't hear you.
Okay. All right. All right. Look, we saw Bitcoin yesterday going down 7% down. It was over 50,000, 51,000, going to 52, 53,000 in the past few days. And then, boom, all of a sudden it went down. What could have caused that? Yeah, look, it's really bad. All right, you know what? Let's continue, guys. All right, guys, you can see Bitcoin at the moment is trading at 46,841 runs. Yesterday there was so much scare. Um, all right, yesterday there was so much scare when Bitcoin went down, and I see one of our yesterday's guests, George. How are you, George? Welcome to Empire Crypto TV, George. Over leverage trading being liquidated. Yeah, yes, of course. I heard such news. People saying over leverage. You know that was the cause of the market crashing. But of course, there are some arguments out there also saying it was pure manipulation. There are some powers, especially the economic powerhouses that are against the cryptocurrency market. They do not want to see the cryptocurrency market succeeding. And when it was the day of crypto being legalized in the Ukraine, of course, not in the Ukraine, at El Salvador, when it was the day for El Salvador to shine, the powerhouses didn't want El Salvador to shine, so they had to manipulate the market somehow. That was an opinion that I got somewhere from another thread or channel, that there was so much manipulation from the powerhouses that didn't want El Salvador to shine, to when everyone was buying, because of course when the news of the whole country buying bitcoins, it was supposed to move the market up. It was supposed to be bullish. The market was supposed to move without going down. But of course, um, yeah, IMF, World Bank, Alex, El Salvador, yes, That's what could have happened. That's what could have happened. Do you mind, George? Do you mind coming on board here? Explain to us what's your opinion. Let me try and see if I can share this. Let me see if I can share the link with you. All right, let me share the link with you, George. Let me try and share the link with you, George. And then we talk about those news. All right, George, I've got you here. All right. Just a moment, guys. I'm sharing the link. In the meantime, let me see if I can. Yes, Tembi, are you back? All right, George, please check your WhatsApp, and if I can come over here, come to the screen. Let's talk about crypto going down a day or two before. Okay, Aminka, I'll join when in the house. Okay, no, man, we'll be done by then. Okay, no, it's fine. We'll talk about that some other time. Yes, Tembi, are you back? Yes, Tembi, are you back?
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. The problem is when you connect me, then I can't hear.
Okay, can you hear me now? All right, you are gone again. Okay, you are gone again. All right, she's gone again. All right, guys, I think I have to wrap up the show. She's struggling to connect. We can't connect. We can't connect. All right. Last time I posted here, we mentioned that when Bitcoin moves 5% down, everyone start talking about 19,000 US dollars. Bitcoin is going down. Bitcoin is going to 19,000 US dollars. But when it goes 3% up, everyone again changes the tune, starts singing a different tune. People start saying Bitcoin is going to 60, 70. In fact, the most called number in the crypto space of Bitcoin is 100,000. People start saying Bitcoin is going to 100,000. Bitcoin is going to 100,000. There's always shifting of mind. I mean, when Bitcoin is looking bearish, I mean, with a few percentages, people start losing hope. But when it goes up, it happens, of course. There are so many new people in the market, so many new people in the space. They get excited, and of course they get scared again. Any slight movement to any direction of the market, it brings emotions from different people in the space. Like I mentioned, there are a lot of new people here. When someone bought Bitcoin at 35,000 US dollars, and when Bitcoin start looking bearish, they feel like they're going to lose their money. They start taking profits. So, but I will say those who've been in the market for some time, they understand the movements of the market. They've actually mastered how the market behaves. They actually know that this market moves in cycles. It goes down, goes up. And we need that. I mean, we need the market to go up. We need the market to go down, giving everyone the opportunity. What is a market on its own? A market is the movement where it goes down, where it goes up. If the market just continues going up without retracing or without going down, that's a problem. It can be a problem. Um, that would be a problem. So we want the market to go down, to go up. Also, it gives such movements of the market. It gives people an opportunity to go in and to go out, to go in and to go out. So if you are still new in this market, you ought to understand that this market moves in cycles, moves up and down. It doesn't just go straight. It will never go really straight down. It will give people some opportunities to come on board or to come out. So yes, we see this week also. In fact, today the market is strengthening a bit. It's looking bullish for now, I would say. And Solana crossed to 200,000 today. It crossed to 200,000 today. Sorry, to $200 today. Wow. I'm still in my mind. I'm still like talking about Bitcoin, but I'm already on Solana. So Solana went to $200, still bullish. That's the coin of the week. I'll say coin of the week. Set 50% for the week. Yeah, we sold the market. Checked a little bit, but still holding. All right, guys. I do apologize. The live show got interrupted a bit. There were some technical problems with our guests and stuff. But yeah, we'll call her again because she went with so much information. There's so much information that she wanted to share with us. There's so much experience and knowledge with that leader that she went with. I never want to let our leaders go without sharing all what they have, without giving us everything that they have in terms of the experience in this market, because those are the people who help the newbies. Those are the people who help the youngsters who are still new in the cryptocurrency market. Those who are ahead ought to share the experience, the journey with those who've just started. We had a very powerful session yesterday with Mr. George. He shared with us so much. It was not yesterday, but day before yesterday. It was powerful. It was so informative, and hopefully people keep learning, keep understanding, keep getting those strategies, those tips, hot tips, I'll say. All right, guys, do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Empire Crypto TV. We are live here every day, 7 p.m. If you do not subscribe, you may miss some of the information, powerful information that may help you in this journey. It's a long journey. It's one of the most interesting journey. All right, cryptocurrency. It's one of the most profitable market at the moment. Thank you so much, guys, for coming through. We shall meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We'll meet again for the last time this week. We are here. We are live, 7 p.m. Let's meet again tomorrow. Thank you. Talk to you soon.